So in this video we are going to see about the Azure functions. If you are aware AWS, then this is called as a Lambda functions in Amazon Web Services, but in Azure it is called as a Azure function. So it's more like an event-driven serverless computing. So you can consider this as a function as a service from the Azure. So you can have a serverless experience here, like where there is no server, you are going to have no configurations that you are going to set, and you can run your code on demand and you can execute the code here, and in response to like any event or any sort of trigger, then this code is going to be executed and do the actions, and you will pay only when the function is executed. Like if your function contains any sort of errors or compile errors, then if for some sort of reason if your program is not executed, then you need not to pay anything to Azure. Like that, if that function get executed, you need to pay. So as per the request, like 1 million will be 1 million request will be the free for 1 month. Then you can see all those details in here. I will keep this URL in the description section, then you can go. You can see that here like some event will occur. Based on that, it is going to trigger any sort of events, then it is going to execute. So that way it will support. You can see that how many platforms it support, like .NET, Node.js, Java, or Python, like this. So if you scroll down, you can see how to monitor them. All those details will be given. Let me show you how to do this. You just go to the console, I mean the portal, and you just type functions. So functions app is the one which we are talking about. So if you see, you can create undefined or you can add here. Then I'm just going with the create undefined. Then I need to give my function name, platform, all those. If you scroll down, so you can put this in a existed resource group. Then you need to give a function name, and this function name should be unique. Let's see whether it is will take. See, this name will be available. So test78.azurewebsite.net is the URL for this function name, and you can deploy like code or Docker. Like I'm going with the code, and you need to select an environment, what Python or Java, whatever it may be. I'm selecting Java as of now. And if you scroll down, you need to select the region. So can you notice there is no operating system here? Okay, and there is no instance ID or like any sort of CPU or RAM, how much RAM it will be. So all those details won't be there for a function app, because Azure will take care of the infrastructure, everything, and it is providing as a function as a service. So you have a option here, but still see it is going to disable all those. So that's what we are talking, right? Like there won't be any sort of operating system selection. Everything will be taken care by the Azure. And click on plan. You can go with the consumption, premium, app services plan. As I said, there are some sort of app services plan. If you are dedicatedly working for this, then you will get the app services plan, and you will be assigned with some Windows plan and SKU and size. Like you will get 1.7 GB of RAM and 100 total. So I'm just going on a consumption. Consumption is like how much you are using, you are going to pay only for that. So that is the meaning of that. And click on next, and you will see a option for application insight. Okay, I am not selecting this one, and click on tags and click on create and review. Now it is going to validate your tail. If there is any error, it will be showing that error. Otherwise you can proceed with the create option.